Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my slime collection, and I never posted a video in like a long time, and like a year ago I never posted a video, but that was my fault. Yeah, so today I'm going to do my slime collection, and yeah, so let's get started. So here's my box of slime. And so the first slime is this one. I just made it with glue stick right now. Like I just finished it. And yeah. And here's my slime activator just in case the slime might get sticky. So let's leave that there. So yeah. Here's the glue stick slime I made. I just took a glue stick, I mashed it up, and then I put it in hot water to melt it, and then it just became slime. It's so cool. And I had to add activator, obviously, which is Tide. I think it works the best with Tide because it doesn't really do anything with borax. Like I tried it with borax, it turned horrible. So yeah, but with Tide, it comes like this. It's so stretchy. But yeah, slime extrusion will work too. I don't know about baking soda. I think baking soda will work too. But yeah. And I want to make sure you guys can see that I'm like kind of poking the slime on the ground. Is this better? You can see it, right? It's so small, but I wanted to use the glue stick for another slime. Then I have this slime. It's called Grape Jello, and it's a jiggly slime, and it always has like these bubbles on the top. It's so cool. So we're gonna take it out. This is how it usually takes that out. And it looks like that because it looks like this. It's really nice. It's so jiggly. Well, like you can't tell now, but like when you keep playing with it, it's gonna get even jigglier. So and this slime, I love it. It's like so nice to play with. This is my favorite slime. Well, not really my favorite, but like my second favorite. And the blue stuff for clay. And whoever's watching this right now from my class, you know why there's little bits of blue in it. And you know why it's like this. But yeah, there's Grape Jello. How jiggly it is. Then I have Sparkle Berry, and in this one I'm gonna put instant snow. I'm gonna get instant snow soon. What happened? Okay, so the floam bead separated, and now there's like water stuff coming out of the slime. So I'm not sure what's going on, but the floam separated. This one's gonna have instant snow in it, because when my mom lets me buy whatever I want from the dollar store, I'm going to ask for. I'm gonna buy fake snow. So yeah. This is pretty disgusting because like the floam like fell out of the slime and now there's like water. So I'm not sure what's happening. Is this gonna be sticky? Here's some ASMR, like really bad ASMR. Almost dropped it. Dang it. I'm gonna try to collect the beads. This floam like gets out so easily out of the slime. I don't know why, but like it just annoys me a lot. But yeah, it looks pretty, and yeah. I hate these beads. They're like, I don't know why I put them in my slime. Yeah, make it like this. Na, 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 na. I constantly start singing, and then people are just like, why can you not stop singing? I'm like, I don't know. And I don't care about those extra beads on the floor. I'm just gonna pick that later. Then this one, because it's the same thing, the beads with those beads in it. And probably the same thing happened. But they said it's even more watery and the slime is green. And for some reason the slime got hard. What happened? Okay, so this slime has beads in it. Don't you see that? Do you see? Do you see? This is my worst slime. Like, this is my last favorite slime, guys. Well, then when I put real foam in it, it's probably gonna be my favorite. But
right now,
ew, this is disgusting. But yeah, and then this last slime is a cloud slime, but I have no time to show it again. So there's gonna be a part 2, and yeah, bye.